I'm happy to be at the SEETEST 2023 conference, and I think it is a very nice conference. We have seen a lot of people, so there's a lot of interest, also very active, a lot of questions, good exercises and nice discussions, and of course very well organized.
Whenever you're out, that one of your teammates will also pick up your work and it's not left hanging for you whenever to return. Within your team, you really need to work together, do things together, not only on the job, but also off the job, because that will really make a great team, because you also get to know each other offside of the work you do.
Top of that, the one essential thing next to trust is to have a shared vision and a shared understanding. I think your stakeholders can quite easily set the direction in which you should be going. That's what they should do, and you as a team should be able to decide yourself how to go.
The topics are up to date, including stuff around ChatGPT, for example, and what else is new in the world of testing.
SEETEST this year is, as usual, a huge conference in our region. And this year we even managed to increase the number of visitors that are coming to the hotel, actually to the venue, which is really good for us. Networking is doing fine. People are very well educated and learn a lot about what the testing can bring us in the future. There are a lot of good topics. This year we have introduced some of the topics that are quite hyping. Talk about artificial intelligence. We are talking much more about social dynamics in teams and how testing can be managed in that areas, and so on and so on.
Amazing people, amazing food, and really interesting talks. And I almost always say it, this is, for me, the most valuable conference of all.
I'm pretty much satisfied about everything that I learn and hear in the conference, and definitely I would like to join in the future again.
We have not been here for 4 years, so for us it was a really pleasure to come back to the Romanian excellent city, Bucharest, the capital, and have another good conference. We have about 650, 700 people, half of them are in person on the conference, and the other half are online with the virtual conference. And so far so good, everything is working well. Location is, as always, a 5-star location. We want that the testing people feel like VIP people, so we always go to another nicest location possible.
It was a great opportunity to be here. It's really nice because I'm here today with a lot of colleagues from this industry, from the QA, and a lot of colleagues that are involved in this conference. It's really nice because here we can find a lot of opportunities and a lot of subjects for speakers and for the participants also. A lot of good people here, a good vibe here. The location is perfect, and from the organization point of view, it's perfect for me.
It's my second year here at SEETEST. It's always a wonderful experience. You get properly looked after, but the audience is amazing. The talks are great. The tutorials are brilliant. really, really enjoyable conference. My tutorial here at SEETEST was about the 10 behaviours of effective employees, where we designed some posters, we did a video, we did lots of interactive stuff, and then there was a fair bit of discussion and debate around those 10 particular behaviours. The audience were absolutely brilliant. There was lots of difficult questions, which is what we like as tutorial speakers. Lots of discussion, lots of real insights and knowledge, and we had a wonderful time. And I hope the audience really enjoyed that too. I think in the next 5 years, what we're going to see is a much more push towards AI and automation.
It's very unique experience because you can see the living history of the best practices in the QA field. And the best thing is that he's so passionate and almost ready at any moment to give you some hints and tips how to improve your test. I really loved this session, and of course the ROP session was pretty much great. So we had a very good balance between more strategic skills that can be improved here and some more practical hints from ROP. Being in this conference will help you to be, let's say, on the top of the wave and to be ready with your next career endeavors.
It's really brilliant to be back again. The tutorial went really well, a lot of interaction, a lot of discussion, a lot of team learning. And why I love this and these events, because I actually learn more from the audience that I can teach them. Or hopefully they can still learn from me. But that's the idea, a lot of collaboration, a lot of communication with the teams, and a lot of good ideas on testing. There was a really active audience. I really loved working with them. They had a lot of questions, we had a lot of discussions. The whole tutorial is like a lot of exercises, a bit of theory, and then sharing what we have done. So I really liked it, and there was a very, very, very good audience here at SEETEST 2023.
A great event, amazing community until now. Of course, today it's not over yet, but I have some bad news. Okay, so the bad news is that if you miss it, the huge list of a great list of speakers, you will not be able to join this year. But I also have good news. Okay, then the good news is that next year it will come back again for a different country. So you still have your time.